Hello, hello! Good afternoon. Ay, good morning pa pala dito. So, nasa 11:30 pa, guys. So, kain tayo ng nilagang baka. Ang luto ni Ate Marisa. Diba pa? So, titikman natin. Kasi first time ko to, guys. Nakakain ng nilagang baka. Naluto ni Ate Marisa. So, I hope I like it. Char! Kain! O, diba? Pak! Olo! O, diba? Kain pa uli. O, diba? Extra rice pa. Best, laban lang. O, diba? So, baka nagtaka kayo na parang ang ganda ng background, ah. So, andito ko sa bahay ni Madam. So, diba? Parang hotel. Kasi mainit yung kanin. So, pak! O, diba? Uy, katabo. Na ano ko kaya yung baka. Kasi syempre hindi mawawala yung chili sauce. Diba? So, dito na lang ako nakikain sa kanila. Parang fresh ko dito. Sa bahay na to.
I'm fine. Something happened to the kids. Yeah, they suddenly got angry and started acting strange.
Maybe Black can help us.
You must fight against evil to protect yourselves. Eliminate the Spunky and we'll have a happier life.
Magkamay na lang ako. Huwag naman inarte.
Perfect timing. Go now.
What's wrong? Wake up, my love.
Since when did you become this strong?
It's all thanks to Dad Black.
Stop.
My love, it's me. Come to mommy. Great, great. What are you doing? We loved you, yet this is how
Healing.
you treat us? Wake up. Do you really want to destroy our family? You've always been our pride. Anymore.
Kalamiting.
Mom, Dad, I'm sorry.
Diba?
Dad, I'm sorry.
What is this?
Ang
Destroy
taba.
them now.
You once had a family too. Why are you trying to destroy ours?
Family? I never had one. They abandoned me. I don't want you to be happy. You aren't you afraid I'll hurt them?
You created us. You're part of our family too.
I'm sorry.
Kaon pa to eh. No rice. Kaon pa to. Sarap yung taba.
Feel warm.
Do you think my dress looks pretty today? It's okay. Attention, everyone! We have a new student today. Hello, everyone. I'm Wenda.
Medyo ay nila.
Gusto ko makain ng rice.
Is she a masked freak? Maybe.
So, mapaparami na naman ako. Aray, ang init pala. Sorry guys. Kain. O, diba? Pak! Hello. Hanggang gabi na to.
Gray is so handsome.
Diba? Madam, kain.
She's so mysterious. I want to see her face. Why don't you take off your hat? What are you hiding? I have something to do. I'll go first.
Ha?
I want
Apat
to see
yan,
your
te.
face. Maybe she has a hideous
Ay.
wrinkled face.
Nandito pala yung gabi. Ngayon ko lang nakita.
No, just leave me alone. What exactly are you hiding?
Diba?
Don't take it too far.
Why are you defending her?
I don't care about anyone.
What do we do next? Just wait, Wenda.
Pak.
A new student? But it doesn't really matter. Because I'll soon
Oil,
find that
sibo
place
lang
else.
kasi siya.
I want
Masarap.
new friends, but this face is a big problem. They will be terrified of us. Ever since I was born.
Gusto ka na?
It's so cute.
Gusto mo?
It's like a little
Hala. Kaon pa ba?
Ano?
Ano ko? Sandok?
Girl, ang sandok, girl.